On 22nd January 1879, during the Anglo-Zulu War, the Zulu army under commanders Ntshingwayo Kamaholekoza and Mavumengwana Kandlela Ntuli crushed a British invasion force at the Battle of Isandlwana. Facing troops led by Lord Chelmsford, the Zulu deployed the horns and chest of the buffalo formation, a double envelopment that fixed British units in place, while fast-moving flanks closed from both sides. Zulu regiments advanced without supply trains, enabling rapid movement and surprise. Once contact was made, they avoided long firefights, closing quickly into shock combat, exploiting rifle reload times and ammunition shortages in the British camp. British overconfidence, stretched lines, and the absence of fortified defenses proved fatal. By afternoon, the camp had fallen, with over 1,300 British and colonial troops killed. Isandlwana was the British Army's worst defeat against an indigenous foe equipped with vastly inferior military technology.